Welcome to Niche News Weekly Broadcast. Regional News. The Thiruvananthapuram-Mangaluru rail corridor via Kottayam is set to get double track with the long pending doubling of 16.5 km Ettumanur-Chingavanam stretch scheduled to be over by March 2022. The work was postponed because of the heavy rains in the region. The Kerala State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has said that copy of certificates or other documents of either partner involved in marital dispute should be made available to their children on a formal application if needed for their education. The Norca routes will explore the possibility of launching entrepreneurship information supermarkets similar to those existing in various countries to enable investors to understand the business opportunities in all sectors. A special channel will be made available for non-resident Keralites under the Industries Department's initiative to launch 1 lakh micro, small and medium enterprises in the state. Over to national news. The center has allowed 50% of its employees below the level of undersecretary to work from home amid rising coronavirus cases. Persons with disabilities and pregnant women employees have been exempted from attending the offices. Central government officers or staff will have to follow staggered timing to avoid overcrowding in the offices. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has clarified that the natural immunity due to contracting coronavirus will remain for 9 months. The expansion of vaccination coverage will enhance immunity levels among people. The third dose of vaccine is being given to improve the immunity level. None of the existing vaccines can totally prevent COVID infection. The vaccines can only reduce the severity of the infection and associated health complications. The Union Health Ministry has informed that more than 1 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses have been administered to children in the 15 to 18 age groups since the inoculation drive began for them on January 3rd. With this, the cumulative doses administered in the country has increased to over 148.58 crores. Over to international news. New coronavirus variant, EHU, identified in France. As the world grapples with the highly mutated Omicron variant of SARS-CoV-2, scientists have identified a new strain of the COVID-19 causing virus in southern France. It is known as EHU. While the B.1.640.2 variant is spreading like wildfire around the world, it appears to be far less severe than initially feared and has raised hopes that pandemic could be overcome and life return to more normality. North Korea claimed to have conducted the second successful test flight of a hypersonic missile days after leader Kim Jong un vowed to strengthen his military forces despite pandemic related difficulties. The official Korean Central News Agency said that the Central Committee of the ruling party expressed great satisfaction at the results of the missile test. With this news, we come to the end of Niche News Weekly broadcast. I'm Sylvie Maximena, Niche faculty, presenting the news for you along with Ms. Mona Shah, ISL faculty at Niche. See you again next week. Thank you.